Good morning to all of you. I'm your social teacher, and on today I'm going to teach you about the Northern Mountain, and that is your second chapter, which is mentioned in your social study book. Now let's start. You have to only study about the two mountains which is located in the northern region. That the first is Himalaya mountain and the second is Karakoram mountain. There is an India map in which the colored portion indicated the region of Himalaya. Now let's study about the Himalaya mountain. As you all know that Himalaya mountain is the highest mountain in all over the world, and it has several peaks which is covered with snow throughout the years. And as you know, is it largest and highest mountain, so it's extended from Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh, that it means from north to northeast, and it's cover an area near about 2500 kilometer. To study more about the Himalaya mountain, it is divided into three parallel ranges. The first is Greater Himalaya, which is also known as Himadri, and the second is Middle Himalaya, which is also called Himachal, and the last one is Lower Himalaya, which is also called Shivalik. So let's study about the parallel ranges one by one. Now let's start. There is a map in which you can see that the three ranges of Himalaya, in which Greater Himalaya is largest in comparison to the Middle Himalaya and Lower Himalaya. Greater Himalaya, as you already know that, is it also called Himadri. It is the highest and longest mountain as compared to the Middle Himalaya and Lower Himalaya, and it is located in the northern regions. When we talk about the which is the highest peak in the world, so that is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak, and its height near about 8,484 meter. Sir Edmund Hillary, who lived in New Zealand, and Tenzing Norgay, who lived in Nepal. These are the two persons who firstly climbed to the Mount Everest. And Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman who climbed to the Mount Everest firstly. And there is also two other peaks which is covered with snow throughout the year, that named is Kanchenjunga, and its height near about 8,598 meter, and Nanda Devi, its height near about 7,817 meter. Let us know about the glacier. Glacier is a large sheets of snow, and you already know that there is some mighty rivers which is originated from the glacier. That name is Ganga, Yamuna, Sutlej, Ravi, Chenab, and Brahmaputra. These rivers are originated from the glacier. As you already know about the Ganga, which is a famous river, and it is originated from the Gangotri glacier. Middle Himalaya, as you already know about the, it is also called Himachal, and it is a lower than Greater Himalaya. And heavy rainfalls are also formed in valley regions between the mountains, and there is also some hill station, that name is Shimla, Manali, Srinagar, Darjeeling, and Nainital. Lower Himalaya, as you already know that, it is also called Shivalik, and it is lower than Middle Himalaya, and it has a thick forest in which tigers, snow leopard, elephants, wild yak-like animals are formed, and some crops like wheat, rice, sugarcane are also grown here, and there is some hills are also present, that name is Garo, the Khasi, the Jayanti, and the Lusai hills. Karakoram mountain is a second mountain which is located in the northern region. It is a part of Himadri ranges, and it is extended from north to west. And Mount Godwin Austen is a second highest peak in the world, which is formed in Karakoram region.